In this video, I will show you how to embed a video in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, what you can do is you can just look for the page wherein you want to embed this particular video. So for example, in this case, let's add this on this copy. Click on this edit right here, and then this will open the block editor of our WordPress right here. So you can just wait for that to load, and while it's loading, let's head over to YouTube and let's locate a video. So I will embed this particular video right here. What I can do is I can head over and click on this URL right here, right click on copy right here, and it will be copied. Now let's head back right here again on our WordPress, and then we can see it here. So when you hover to this one, you can click on this plus, and in here you can search for HTML. Once you have searched for it, just drag this one just wherever you want it to be. So for example, for me, I want it added right below the pictures. And then in here, you just need to paste the link that you have copied. So for this one, what you can do is you can paste the link, or alternatively, you can also click on this share icon right here. And then once you have clicked on that, this will load like this. And in here, you can actually click on this embed option that they have right here. So click on this embed option that they have. And then you can see this right here. So click on this copy option in order to copy the code. So you can actually add the URL or copy the code that you have. But for this case, let's copy the code. And then let's put in here this one. And let's click on the preview. And then this will load like this in order to show us a video that we have embedded. So it may take some time for this to load, but once it's loaded, as you can see, here it is right here. Once you have done that, click on the save option, and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it has reached more people. See you soon.